FLYSAK Lubrication Technology Guangdong Company Limited is a factory founded in 2023, specializing in manufacturing lubricating oil for automotive, industrial, and marine. We locate in Foshan, China, covering 6 production lines with the base oil storage capacity of nearly 10,000 tons. Lubricating oil design annual capacity of more than 60,000 tons. Our factory is equipped with automatic batching and blending system, high-speed filling production line, etc. To achieve full production automation, we have obtained ISO 9001 quality management. All our products are strictly tested before leaving the factory. We built a complete R&D testing laboratory, equipped with high-end inspection and analysis testing instruments, such as viscosity tester, high temperature and high shear tester, pH tester, flash point tester, etc. Advanced hardware facilities provide a strong guarantee for lubricants products testing and after-sales service. FLYSAK has developed 7 categories that perfectly fit the world market, covering a full range of products such as motorcycle engine oil, gasoline engine oil, diesel engine oil, transmission oil, industrial oil, engineering machinery oil, antifreeze, and vehicle auxiliary oil. With competitive prices, high-quality products, and timely delivery, we have gained a high reputation among customers. We sincerely welcome clients from at home and abroad to cooperate with us. FLYSAK is your best lubricating oil partner. Choose us. You will get short lead time and OEM service. We will meet your special needs.